Okay, so we're going to look at adding and subtracting some large integers. You may have gleaned how to do this from class. You may have learned how to do it if Freckles saw that you were pretty skilled at what we were doing already. But for most of you, I don't think that you're going to know how to do this yet. And I'm going to show you the first step in doing that. So we're going to look at 21 minus 49. All right. And those are big numbers. Maybe they're a little scary for you. Maybe they're not, which would be awesome if you already know what you're doing. But many of you, I don't think you do. So first thing we do when it's big and scary, make it less big and scary in life and in math. So 21, if we round it to the nearest tenth, we're going to get 20. All right. And then we're going to round 49 to the nearest tenth, and we'll get 50. And this is going to allow us to estimate to see about what the answer should be. And we can figure that out by using a number line where we count by tens. You can draw a number line like this on a sheet of paper, and it will help you quite a bit. So we'll solve the easy version. 20, so 10, 20 to the right, and then we go to the left 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so we should end up at about negative 30. So negative 30. And this is so useful because when you learn how to do it precisely, which we're not going to worry about for the test, when you learn how to do the exact answer for these, then you might end up getting maybe positive 28 as your answer. And if you got that, then you're going to see, oh my gosh, but it should have been about negative 30. So I missed something when I tried to find the exact answer. That happens all the time. It happens to me. I've been doing math for a long time. My wife does math for a living. It'll happen to her sometimes, and her job is sometimes checking people's work like that. So she's an accountant. So I am going to have you know how to find about the right answer for the test, even though I won't make you find the exact answer. I will want you to be able to round and estimate. So in some situations in the future, when you are taking maybe a big standardized test, like at the end of the year or in high school, sometimes estimation is going to be enough to get the right answer. And that's actually how it's going to be today. We're going to look at 21 minus 33 from our worksheet, and we're not even going to find the exact answer. We're going to find something close. 21 minus, was it 33? Yeah, 33. And first we start by rounding. We're going to round 21 down to the nearest tenth. We get 20. And then we're going to round 33. Ends up getting rounded down as well to the nearest tenth. And it just ends up 20 minus 30. We can do that with our number line. 10, 20. And we go to the left because of the minus sign. 10, 20, 30. So these are things. This is the part you already know about this part, I think. If you don't, please let me know. I'll give you some extra help. So 20 minus 30 ends up being about negative 10. Whoa. So about negative 10. And I didn't put the parentheses. I know it's not quite proper. You will see it like that sometimes. So let's find an answer that's about negative 10. Positive 12, that's not about negative 10. That's not close. 54, that's even further. Negative 12, that's pretty close to negative 10. That could be the right one. Negative 54, that's pretty far. So I don't think that's right. So let's go with our best answer, the one that's closest to negative 10, and see if it's right. What do you know? I'm in the teacher mode, so it showed me, yeah, that green check mark means it's correct. So today, what I want you to do with this whole sheet is just estimate. Just estimate and see if you can figure out the right answer just by doing that, okay? That's what, there might be some questions like these ones on the test where you just have to estimate and you'll have to choose from the best answer, but I'm not going to make you choose the exact right answer for the test. All right? Let me know if you have other questions.